Another optional item for these systems is actually a LED light stand with floodlights. So earlier, while we were filming these videos, we were actually using this one in the back as a light source for our systems here. So I'll just plug this in. And so you can see the LED lights here. I'm not going to shine those directly into the camera. I'll just tilt those up a little bit. But when we turn on the AC power, you can see we've got very good light for a broad area. Now you can use your own floodlights, be it LED or incandescent or strings of lights. For indoor construction where you want to make sure that you don't have carbon monoxide fumes coming off a generator, this gives you a completely silent lighting system. So you don't worry about fumes in an enclosed area, and you don't worry about sound, which is especially important, again, when you're with the film industry.